These valves are looking mighty fine. That's because they're just freshly cleaned. More to come. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video we have all the internal components out from the engine's head. At this point we are going to start cleaning some of these things off, such as the camshaft caps, the hydraulic lifters, the rollers, the valves, springs, and retainers. So as you guys already know, the engine head is for the most part fully stripped. Once we clean those accessories, we're gonna head and clean this whole head. So right now it's winter time and we don't really have access to a pressure washer, and that's what we're really gonna need to get this head cleaned up again. Alright, so how are we gonna clean these things? There's a lot of ways to clean them. A lot of people recommend certain things over other things depending on the metal. Well, we are gonna be using soapy water mixed with a little bit of LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner Degreaser. This thing's at the dollar store. I heard it works really good. There's no acid in this. So we're gonna mix that up, clean it up, use a sponge to agitate the dirt and grime, rinse it off with clean water, and then we're gonna use compressed air to dry the part. And after that we'll probably lubricate the part a little bit with some either WD-40 or just some regular engine oil. So what I'm gonna do first is take the roller, and you can see the condition of it currently. Pretty bad. Let's toss that in there. Let's throw a little bit of this cleaner degreaser in there. Warm water definitely helps. Well, it definitely looks better than before. Now as for the hydraulic lifters, a lot of people do these things in gasoline or kerosene. I'm not sure exactly what's the best way to clean it, but if you do want to depress this, because this is filled with oil right now, you want to take a paper clip and press it into that hole. That's gonna take all the old oil out of here. I'm thinking we're just gonna clean it right now, just the outsides. See what happens when I blow air in here? It's actually blowing out a lot of the old oil. And again, for comparison reasons, look at the difference here. So I'm pretty happy with that so far. Let's repeat the process on all of these.
question for you, man.
Yeah, what's up, man?
I just replaced my front and rear shocks, and I'm still hearing a lot of noise from my rear end. So I know it can't be the shocks, sway bar. What you think it might be? Muffler? I only feel it when I go over a hump. Like if I'm on the expressway, I don't feel it.
It's just on the rear though?
Yeah, just in the rear.
And it sounds like sway bar endlings though. Alright guys, let me clean you guys up a little bit. At this point, just want to show you guys the water. This is looking pretty filthy. As you can see right over here. Even the clean water that was just a rinse is looking pretty bad. But one thing that looks pretty good are the actual rollers here. Let me show you these, for example. You got your exhaust roller, lifter, and I know it might not be the easiest thing to see, so let me bring these out for you. There's your difference. So I'm pretty happy with what we have achieved so far. We got a long process to go. Again, we got many parts, and the first phase is just going to be soap, water, and a little bit of that degreaser that we mentioned before. Let me put these on with my clean hand. So I just want to say thank you for watching, guys. If you have any advice on what solvents to use to clean these motors, to clean these internal components so they actually are beneficial for it and don't cause like corrosion, rusting issues and whatnot, comment down below. Let me know. We'll see you on the next video. When we get some more time, we'll finish this off and we'll see you on the next video. Peace. How well this is gonna work, and so far it's doing pretty good. Again, I got soapy warm water with the LA cleaner degreaser warm water here. And on today's video, guys, we have a lot more components that we have to clean, and today's goal is to clean the exhaust side of the rockers and the lifters. Once we get that done, we can finally go down that road and keep tackling this project down. But as you can see, the ones we cleaned the other day are looking pretty darn good, I must say. So let's repeat the process. Slow and steady wins the race, and we'll go from there. You can actually see how much dirt there is, and it's not coming off right there when I scrub my hand on it. But once you introduce it to some warm water, some good degreaser, let me just show you real quick what's gonna happen. And I'm just lightly scrubbing it with this sponge here. Warm water, hella bubbles though, just like that. Look at the difference right there. Alright guys, so we got it pretty much looking pretty clean. I'm pretty happy with the results. Now the next step is the valves, cleaning the valves. So I'm thinking we're gonna be doing it the same way. Maybe get a brush somewhere in here so we can clean the valve spring really well, and we'll go from there. But for that content, you guys make sure you watch the future videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing with this little build. And the motor is just chilling. We are ready to clean this after we get done with the smaller parts. Can't wait. Super excited. Again, thank you guys, anybody watching this. I appreciate you. Join me as I try to rebuild this motor, or whatever the hell I'm trying to do with it. I don't know yet, but we'll find out as we go along. So I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working